barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azim. In this video, I will start a new chapter, inshallah, and it will be about how to manage media. I will show you how to manage image, and in this video, I will add video and audio. So, the roadmap or topic that I will talk in this video, the first thing, I will talk about layout. It's very important, understand them. After this, I will show you how to edit animation in your application. Next one is to manage video, audio, and finally to edit grid layout. So let's start with the first topic about layout. So if you want to be an Android developer, you must be able to manage your application in different screen and resolution. It's very, very important. So for this, you have component layout. It is very helpful tool that will help you to put your component where you want, okay, to manage them. For example, I will add a button on here. And here you have the design, it means the screen, to make drag and drop, and you have the text, XML file. The XML file is a very powerful tool. If you want to become an expert developer in Android, you must be able to manage all your components in XML file. Okay? I don't tell you to delete the ability to make it from drag and drop. The drag and drop is very quick to manage your component. But if you want to be a developer, you must be able to make it in XML file. I know it's very long because you must write the code. Yes. I don't tell you also to put all the keyword or the class in your head. No. You must understand how to be able to manage your component in this file, in this XML file. For example, I want to change the button width for all the screen. How to make it? I have here layout width, and I will change it directly here like this to match parent like this, and it's the very same thing to put it here, to make it here layout width our content. It is here, and I can change it here. It's same thing. Okay, so now I will add another button 2, and I will tell you now to search in Google how to center these 2 buttons in the screen, and to make the first button here and the second behind it. I will give you a lot of time to search. So I will pause the video. Let's show you how to make it. And for this, I will use a new layout, a new type of layout. And this layout will be linear layout. To get it, just go here, layout. As you can see, you have different type of layout. And here is linear layout. And I have 2 different. I have horizontal and vertical. If I want to center in horizontal, I will choose linear layout horizontal. And here, as you can see, here is the layout. Now I will put the button inside it. I hope I can make it, the first one, yes. No, it is not in the layout. It is not in the layout. So I will delete them, and I will put them, because with drag and drop and new Android version, it is not easy to make it. So I will add them directly, the first one, and look now. Wait, I will change the text. Look when I added the second. Oops, sorry. I will put it again. Yes, look, here goes the next one. Okay, so now I want to make it in the center. So for the first one, I will change all the layout here to wrap content and this to wrap content. And here, I will come back here, okay? And I will delete all this because if I change, if I play with margin and it will not be in the center. For example, if I change to another screen or another device, it is not in the center, okay? So I am playing, I think in 5. Okay, I want to play it here in the center, in vertical and horizontal. So to manage this, I will delete all this component, all this thing, and now I will add new properties. It is called Android layout. No, layout. Sorry, Android 2 point layout center. Where is it? Layout service center in parent, and here I choose true. Look, ta-da! Now if I change, where is it? The screen to, for example, 10, you can see it is in the center. It's for all what type of screen, you can see. Okay, I have searched in Google how to make it because I tell you, you must know how to use Google. Okay, and I put it in my note. It's very simple. Though, so the property to center it, the layout, the linear layout, the relative layout, or in the screen generally, use this property, layout underscore center in parent 0. So in next video, inshallah, I will show you how to make animation in your Android application. I hope that you have understand how to manage the properties of the component in the layout from the XML file. And let's jump to another topics, animation. Thank you, brothers and sisters, to have seen this video. Share it with your friends, like it, subscribe to my channel. I tell you for the next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.